recording. So good morning all of you. Today we will continue with the topic functional group. In functional group topic, today we are going to do acid. Okay. So how acid is represented? Acid is represented by COOH. कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? COOH से इसको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, which can also be written as C double bond O and single bond OH. This is for molecular formula and this is for structural formula. So this single bond is for what? This is for alkyl group. To this what will be attached? To this alkyl group will be attached. To both of them in structural formula as well as molecular formula. Now you can see as aldehyde was having carbon in its functional group, similarly acid is also having one carbon in its functional group. So here what are you going to do? Same process we will follow. We are not going to count the number of carbon. We are going to count the number of carbon, or we are not going to count the number of carbon for writing down the molecular formula. Gunja?
Yes, ma'am.
In aldehyde, in case of aldehyde, for writing down the molecular formula, what we do? We count, we include this carbon also in the name. Bolo, sweetie.
Yes, ma'am.
इस कार्बन
Yes, ma'am.
किया जाता था, ये R है क्या? What is this R? CnH2
Alkyl group.
Alkyl group.
and this
Alkyl group.
is double OH. तो एक कार्बन यहाँ भी है, एक कार्बन यहाँ भी है. So when we have to write down the molecular formula, we have to take one carbon less than what is required. Whatever is the number of carbon required, you will take one carbon less. For what? For the molecular formula. ये molecular formula के लिए, ठीक है? So इसका नाम कैसे होगा? Structure और molecular formula हम लोग बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. Its IUPAC name will be alkane से E हट करके यहाँ पे OIC लग जाएगा. ये क्या है? कार्बोक्सिलिक acid. So what will be added? OIC will be added. ठीक है? Alkanoic acid. Alkanoic what? Alkanoic acid.
Acid.
So now we will discuss about the homologous series of acid. All of you have noted down this?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम सबसे टॉप में क्या लिखा हुआ है?
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ पे
Yes, ma'am.
MF means molecular formula, SF means structural formula. Okay?
मैम MF का ऊपर एसिड के बगल में.
कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है? एसिड नहीं कह करके ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड में हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. Now we'll see the homologous series of carboxylic acid. Homologous series of acid. Carboxylic acid. Homologous series of carboxylic acid. So in this, the first, which one will be the first member of this series? Can you name?
Methanol. Methanoic. Methanoic acid.
फेनोइक एसिड.
Methanoic acid is the first member. Okay. What is its common name? Common name? Like formaldehyde, it is called formic acid. ठीक है, इसका नाम क्या हो जाएगा? Formic acid. Now general formula is CnH2n plus 1 C double OH. And meth means how many carbon? 1. Meth means how many carbon? 1 carbon.
1.
So here what you have to do? Already 1 carbon is present in the functional group. So you will take 1 carbon less. For the alkyl group, what you will take? One carbon less.
COO.
तो यहाँ पे ये क्या हो जाएगा? C0H2 into 0 plus 1 COOH. So it will be H COOH.
3.
COOH.
3 कहाँ से हो जाएगा? From where? Who said?
Sorry.
C0 तो C खत्म हो गया. 2 into 0 0 plus 1 तो H आ गया. COOH यहाँ पर है ना? But structural formula लिखने के लिए whatever is the number of carbon, that many carbon you will write. So what is the number of carbon here? 1 carbon.
One carbon.
1 carbon. Only 1 carbon is there, so you will put on this very carbon functional group. इसी पे functional group डालेंगे. क्या हो जाएगा? Double bond O and single bond OH. Make carbon tetravalent to H. So this is your functional group and this is your alkyl group. So you have got HCOOH. ठीक है? Okay, class.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So second member. What is second member?
Ethanoic. Ethanoic acid.
Acid. Okay. So ethanoic acid is also called as acetic acid. Common name क्या हो जाएगा इसका? Acetic acid. Now it means how many carbon?
2 carbon.
2
How
carbon.
many carbon you will
Two.
take? N, how many N you will take for writing on the molecular? 1. क्योंकि ऑलरेडी एक यहाँ प्रेजेंट है, एक यहाँ प्रेजेंट है, इसलिए एक हम लेस लेंगे. ये हो जाएगा CH3COOH. ओके. तो अब इसका आप जब स्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे, देन व्हाट यू विल डू? You will write 2 carbon, as many is required, that much you will write. Then in the last carbon, you will put the functional group like this. Functional group. This has become tetravalent. Now this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. H, H, and H. So this is your alkyl group, and this is your functional group. So from the structural formula, you have got this molecular formula.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, who is the next member?
Propanoic acid.
Propanoic acid.
Propanoic acid. Common name वही रहेगा, same common name, no change will be there. Okay, so leave this. Now, for molecular formula, how many carbon you will take?
2.
2 carbon.
2 carbon, so C2H2 into 1 plus 2 COOH. So what we will get? C2H5 COOH. ठीक है, ये मिल गया. 2 और 1 कितना हो गया? 3 हुआ. 2 इधर और 1 इधर, 3 हो गया. 3 carbon you have got.
Yes.
Now for writing down the structure. Structure के लिए आप क्या करेंगे? For writing down the structure, you will put 3 carbon.
Yes, ma'am. In
Yes,
last
ma'am.
carbon.
And last carbon you will put what? Functional group.
Functional group.
Yes.
And then what you will do? Put single
Yes.
bond
Ma'am, put
and then make carbon what? Tetravalent.
carbon tetravalent.
H, H, H. So this is your alkyl group C2H5. ये है C2H5.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
और ये आपका फंक्शनल ग्रुप हो गया. ये क्या निकल गया? ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप निकल गया. COOH. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any confusion to anyone?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So fourth member क्या होगा इसका?
Butanoic acid.
Butanoic acid.
Butanoic acid. Name वही common, same. It will remain the same. Now we will write on the structure, and from the structure we will write on the molecular. Okay, class. So what you are going to do? You will write on 4 carbon. Then next what you will do? Tell me.
Functional group.
Functional group.
There.
In last.
I mean terminal.
Last one, double bond O and single bond OH. ये हो गया टेट्रावेलेंट, अब बाकी सबको टेट्रावेलेंट. Structure is okay. Now this is your functional group. So whatever left is alkyl group.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the alkyl group? C
Double OH.
C3H7.
C3 पहले alkyl group लिखेंगे ना, C3H7 COOH.
OH.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have come to know how you are going to draw the structure and molecular formula.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see here. Read out the board. Now the first member of the homologous series was HCOOH. Then it was CH3COOH, C2H5COOH, C4H9COOH. What is this representing?
Homologous series of
Homologous series.
series
Of
of
what?
carboxylic acid.
Of
Carboxylic acid.
Carboxylic acid.
carboxylic acid. It is representing the homologous series of carboxylic acid. Now, since it is a homologous series, so what properties will be shown here?
same chemical properties but different
Chemical
physical
properties
Why
are same
chemical properties will be same?
because functional group are same.
Okay, functional group is same and physical property will be different.
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 Why? It
Because
will be-
mass number are different.
because they have different molecular masses. Don't say mass number, say masses, molecular masses, molar masses are what? Different. Okay, so what is the member here? Which member will be here?
C3H7 double OH.
double OH.
Why we are going able to write this? कैसे बताएं कि C3H7 होगा?
Because
CH2
each member differs from CH2 group.
Adjacent member differ by what? By the CH2 group.
CH2.
Each member differ by CH2. So here it will be what? इसमें जब CH2 add होगा तो ये क्या बनेगा? C3H7 ही बनेगा ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What would be the next member?
C5H11.
C5H11C double OH.
C5H11C OOH. What is its name?
Pentanoic
Pentanoic
acid.
Pentanoic acid. Okay. So acid is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Now next, the functional group है, that is ketone. Next functional group is ketone. So ketone is the functional group. Ketone is the functional group which is present in the middle. It is present in between two carbon atoms. It is present where? In between two, in between, not two, in between alkyl group. ठीक है? ठीक है? उसके पहले हम लोग पढ़े थे हैलो and alcohol, alcoholic and halo group. So what about them? What kind of functional group they were? What kind of functional group? Can you put it anywhere? Can you put it anywhere?
Yes, ma'am.
They were what? Non-terminal. They were what? they were what, non-terminal, and aldehyde and acid, they are what, they are terminal.
Terminal.
ये हमेशा जब भी प्रेजेंट होगा तो कहाँ प्रेजेंट होगा, एंड में ही होगा,
लास्ट पे।
एंड में ही होगा ना।
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
कहीं और हम नहीं डाल सकते हैं, कहीं हम और डाल सकते हैं क्या, क्या यहाँ पे हम डबल बॉन्ड और OH कर सकते हैं ऐसे?
नो मैम।
No, ma'am.
क्यों? क्योंकि 1 2 3 4 ये 5 कहाँ से होगा, कार्बन इज नॉट पेंटावेलेंट, ये हो ही नहीं सकता है। तो ये हमेशा क्या है, टर्मिनल, ऊपर वाला नॉन टर्मिनल, और कीटोन जो है दैट इज व्हाट, दैट इज प्रेजेंट
Middle.
in between what, in between alkyl group, कहाँ प्रेजेंट है, in between alkyl group it is present. Okay, so let us see. Functional group of ketone is C double bond O. Okay, अब यहाँ पर भी R होगा और यहाँ पर भी R होगा. This may also be written as RCOR. This is for structural formula. This is for what? This is for molecular formula. So it is always present in between alkyl group. ये हमेशा क्या होगा, alkyl group के बीचों बीच होगा. It will be present in between what? Alkyl group. There are two types of ketone. One is what? One is simple ketone. Another one is mixed ketone. Simple ketone and mixed ketone. तो ये simple ketone क्या है? When same alkyl group. When same alkyl group is there. Okay, when same kind of alkyl group is there, then you will say it is simple ketone. Different alkyl group. ठीक है, जब डिफरेंट अल्काइल ग्रुप होगा तब ये होगा मिक्स्ड कीटोन. तो इसके लिए हो जाएगा आर सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ आर. यहाँ पे दोनों अल्काइल ग्रुप क्या है, सेम है. इसके लिए हो जाएगा आर सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ आर डैश. So this one is different and this one is what? Different.
different,
दो अलग अलग अल्काइल ग्रुप होगा, यहाँ दो सेम अल्काइल ग्रुप होगा. आयुपेक नेम एल्केन में से ई हट करके कीटोन का ONE लग जाएगा. ठीक है, एल्केन E we are going to remove and add ONE of ketone. So IUPAC name will be alkanon. For simple ketone, you will write dialkyl ketone. पहले इतना लिख लो, इतना नोट करो. Note it all of you.
Ma'am, noted.
Everybody
हम
has
लिख लिए.
noted?
यस मैम.
yes ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
For mixed ketone, what you will do? You will follow what? Follow कट नहीं ना रहा है, alphabetical order. ठीक है, मिक्स्ड कीटोन के लिए आप क्या करेंगे, अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर को फॉलो करेंगे. नाउ लेट अस ट्राई सम एग्जांपल. कैन यू टेल मी व्हिच विल बी द फर्स्ट मेंबर ऑफ दिस कीटोन?
इथेनॉल.
Propanone.
It will be ethanol. In ethanol only 2 carbon is there.
No, ma'am.
हाँ,
प्रोपानॉन.
यहाँ पर अगर हम O लगा देंगे और तो यहाँ पर H लगा देंगे तो ये तो अल्डिहाइड बन जाएगा. क्या बन जाएगा, अल्डिहाइड ना बन जाएगा.
यस.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Won't
ma'am.
be ethanol? Will it be ethanol?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No,
It
ma'am.
won't be ethanol. So first member will be what?
Propanol.
First member will
Propanol.
be
Propanol.
propanol. Propanol. Now, how will you draw its molecular formula or structure formula? For writing the ketone, molecular formula, it will be better you use a structural formula and then go for molecular formula. Karna kya hai? First of all, you have to see prop means what? What does prop mean?
Three carbon atom.
Three
Three
carbon
carbon
डाल
atom.
देंगे.
Carb.
You'll put 3 carbon and then जो center वाला carbon है, on that carbon you will put the functional group double bond O. Okay, and then make carbon what? Tetravalent. H. ठीक है, स्टेप्स फॉलो किया आपने.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये एक अल्काइल ग्रुप, ये दूसरा अल्काइल ग्रुप. क्या बना? CH3COCH3 बना.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इसका कॉमन नेम क्या है? कॉमन नेम एसीटोन. एसीटोन आप लोग जानते हैं ना, कहाँ पढ़े हैं एसीटोन? Where have you read acetone?
Used in thinner.
Used in thinner. Very good. In class 9. Used in thinner. तो ये हो गया एसीटोन. और इसका कॉमन नेम क्या हो जाएगा? दिस इज सिंपल कीटोन ना. तो आप क्या यूज करेंगे? डाई. डाई क्या है? कौन सा अल्काइल ग्रुप है? बोलो, विच अल्काइल ग्रुप इज दिस? CH3 का क्या नाम है? हेलो,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the name of CH3? Forgot? What is CH3 called? What is this called? Anyone? No one.
Ma'am, propane.
प्रोपेन. अरे CH3 को क्या बोलते हैं? How this CH3 has been formed? Anyone? Gunja?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this called?
Ma'am, methyl.
Yes, मिथाइल. CH4 होता है मीथेन और इससे बना है ये मिथाइल CH3. तो नाम क्या हो जाएगा? डाई मिथाइल. डाई है, दो है मिथाइल, तो दो डाई मिथाइल. और ये क्या हो गया? ये हो गया कीटोन. समझ गए आप लोग?
मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला फिर से समझा दीजिए.
मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला के लिए कुछ नहीं करना है, फिर से हम बता रहे हैं. देखो, जब भी आपको कीटोन बनाना है, आप क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले आप नंबर ऑफ कार्बन लिख देंगे. व्हाट इज नंबर ऑफ कार्बन हियर? व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन?
3.
3. So put 3 carbon. Put single bond. Now where are you going to put the functional group ketone? This side?
In between them.
This one?
Middle.
No.
यहाँ तो नहीं डाल
No, ma'am.
सकते,
Ma'am.
यहाँ भी नहीं डाल सकते. जब भी पड़ेगा तो दो अल्काइल ग्रुप के बीच में पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पे डाल दिया मैंने फंक्शनल ग्रुप. Now make carbon what? Tetravalent. Write H. ठीक है. Now this is your functional group.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अब ये क्या हो
Yes,
जाएगा?
ma'am.
ये वाला और ये वाला, ठीक है? ये है CH3, ये है CO,
Yes, ma'am.
ये है CH3. Okay, so this is your molecular formula.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the molecular formula. And which type of ketone it is?
Dimethyl.
डाइमिथाइल
किस तरह का कीटोन है ये?
Dimethyl.
सिंपल कीटोन
Which type?
Simple
It is simple ketone.
Simple.
Now I'm giving you work. You write down the molecular and structural formula of butanon. Write down molecular and structural formula of butanon.